In a world where enterprises face disruption daily, one platform is redefining how businesses operate. Welcome to AIQoD360, the autonomous agentic operating system for smart digital enterprises. Agentic AI projects fail because of integration drag, talent shortages, unpredictable outcomes, and long deployment cycles. Even successful pilots take up to 18 months to reach production, and most never scale. How do you overcome the high operational costs, scaling challenges, time-to-market bottlenecks, and deployment inefficiencies that every enterprise faces? Imagine building agents in a single day. From concept to agents running operations, AIQoD360, with its enterprise-ready architecture, is a comprehensive, no-code, multi-agent AI platform designed to modernize business operations. From simple sales, marketing, and recruitment functions to diverse and complex agentic workflows. And when deeper control is needed, the underlying code is always accessible, so teams can customize, extend, and fine-tune with confidence. Guided by an intelligent virtual assistant, AIQoD embeds autonomous intelligence across every department, helping organizations build faster, scale smarter, and stay competitive. Today, across industries, AIQoD360 delivers measurable ROI, faster launches, lower costs, higher accuracy, and global scalability. AIQoD360 isn't just another agentic automation tool. It's enterprise-ready, multilingual, mobile-first, and built with security and governance at its core. Every agent is explainable, secure, and designed for real business outcomes. Trusted by global leaders across pharma, BFSI, logistics, retail, government, and startups, AIQoD360 is powering the next wave of agentic transformation. AIQoD360. Smart, digital, AI-led autonomous enterprise delivered. Build AI agents in one day. Contact us today to start your transformation.